Hey there, I'm Tim Armstrong, and I help mortgage professionals build their personal brand. I offer affordable solutions, including lead generating websites, automated email marketing, and even SMS follow ups if needed, all designed to help you attract and convert more leads while maintaining full control of your brand no matter where you work. Let's go ahead and dive into how I can help you create a system that works for you. I create all the digital assets inside your FastPages 365 account. When you start your 14-day free trial, you'll go ahead and get registered in the builder, putting in your name, email, and a password, and then selecting I am not a robot. You'll select a template to get started. We have several mortgage templates available, but don't worry too much about which one looks best because they're fully customizable. I don't just plug in your name and phone number and call it done. Instead, I use the template as a foundation to build your brand. You choose which programs to highlight, and I customize everything to fit your business goals. From there, if you want to expand, you'll have access to our free academy and my ongoing support to help you edit and evolve your site, funnels, and landing pages. Now let me be clear. I don't run your ads or create your content. That part is up to you. However, I can provide step-by-step video guides showing you how to run Facebook ads, drive traffic using blog articles, and optimize your website with SEO techniques to attract organic visitors. And without a doubt, I recommend everyone I talk to that they start a YouTube channel and create content that builds trust and drives prospects to your website. When I start your project, you'll tell me what you need, and I'll build it based on your budget. I'll create custom images, compelling copy, and even SEO optimization for your pages. In fact, one of my clients ranks twice on Google's first page results using the techniques I've taught him. Real lead generating power comes from how you use the tools we provide. I teach you the TES marketing framework, which stands for Teach, Engage, and Sell. This is a strategy I mastered as a housing counselor for a nonprofit organization. By educating and inspiring your prospects, you'll become their go-to expert when they're ready to take action. Let's take a look at how this works. For example, with our down payment assistance funnel, you can educate prospects about programs like the Shinoa Fund. You can offer valuable information and use our lead scoring funnel to provide instant results with a call to action to book appointments for you. Check out how, based on their answers, the funnel provides instant feedback and encourages them to take the next step. I've even incorporated AI avatar videos to boost engagement and build trust. Offering value through your call to action is key, and from there, automations trigger follow-up emails with a personalized action plan, continuing to nurture them until they schedule a meeting. Now you can also set up SMS follow-ups if needed, but with great content, prospects will come to you, not the other way around. I'll even show you how to leverage AI to help you create engaging content effortlessly. And here's something exciting. FastPages 365 includes an awesome course template that lets you create your own educational programs. Just like my Homebuyer Insider Secrets course, which runs 24/7, helping people fix their credit, pay down debt, and prepare to buy a home. Imagine having your own course that works for you around the clock, generating leads and helping convert renters into buyers, all on autopilot. And let's not forget our powerful tools like the DTI Qualification Calculator, which helps prospects determine their affordability and includes an easy way for people to get a hold of you and ask questions for more information. With our all-in-one platform that includes an integrated CRM, appointment scheduling, and email marketing, you'll have everything you need to educate, empower, and inspire your prospects into action. So go ahead and set up an appointment with me today so we can talk about building a system that works for you.